Morning, grade 5 student. Today we are going to learn about fraction. Lesson objective. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to understand and solve addition of fractions with different denominator. Okay, now take a look at the example from the textbook, page 39, number 3 and number 4. Start from number 3. A quarter or 1 over 4 plus 3/8 or 3 over 8 equals blah blah blah. Now we see the bigger denominator is 8. So 1 over 4, uh, the numerator and the denominator times 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. So it will become 2 eighths plus 3 8 equals 2 plus 3 equals 5. So it equals 5 8 or 5 over 8. Now, textbook page 39, number 4. 1/3 or 1 over 3 plus 2 over 9 equals blah blah blah. As we can see, the bigger denominator is 9. And 9 can be divided by 3 equals 3. So 3, look at the denominator 3 times 3 equals 9, and the numerator 1 times 3 equals 3. So it will become 3 9 plus 2 9 equals 5 9 or 5 over 9. Next, take a look at your workbook, page 36, number 1, 2, and 3. Now open your workbook. Now look at number 1. The instruction is find the two equivalent fraction. Number 1b. 3 over 4, it equals, as we can see, 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. So is it equals 6 eighths. And then it also equals 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. So it equals to 9 12. Next, 1c, number 1c. How about 2/5? Okay, now start with the numerator times 2 equals 4. The denominator times 2 equals 10. So it equals to 4 tenths. Now go back to 2/5. If the numerator times 3, it will become 6. And if the denominator times 3, it will become 15. So it equals to 6/15 or 6 over 15. Now look at number 2. The instruction is express each fraction in its simplest form. Number 2a. Yeah, so 6 8. So we have to divide the numerator and denominator by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And then 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So the simplest form of 6 8 is 3/4 or yeah 3 over 4. Number 2b. How about this one? 8 over 20. Okay, both the numerator and denominator can be divided by 4. 8 divided by 4, 2, right? And then 20 is divided by 4 equals 5. So its simplest form is 2/5 or 2 over 5. Now instruction number 3, change the denominator of one fraction to make it the same with another one. Number 3b, a quarter or 1 over 4. And then another one, 5/12. Okay, let's find out. The bigger denominator is 12 and 12 can be divided by 4 equals 3. So the numerator 1 times 3 equals 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. So it becomes 3/12. And 5/12 or 5 over 12. Now let's take a look on your workbook, page 37 and 38, number 4, 5, and 6. Number 1, find the equivalent fraction, then add them. Number 4a, create plus half. Yes, 3 over 8 plus 1 over 2 equals 3 over 8. Now look at the bigger denominator is 8. So 8 can be divided by 2 equal 4. So the numerator 1 times 4 equal 4 and 2 times 4 equals 8. So plus 4 8 equals 3 plus 4 is 7. So the answer is 7, 8 or 7 over 8. Now number 5. Add. Write your answer in its simplest form. 5a. 3 fifths plus 3 tenths. Okay, look at the bigger denominator is 10. 10 can be divided by 5 equals 2. So the numerator 3 times 2 equals 6. And the denominator 5 times 2 equals 10. So it becomes 6 tenths plus 3 tenths. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 9 tenths. But this time 9 and over 10 cannot be divided again. So it is already the simplest form. You cannot simplify it again. Now find the sum of number 6a, 1 6 plus 1/12. Look at the bigger denominator is 12. 12 can be divided by 6 equals 2. So the numerator 1 times 2 equals 2. The denominator 6 times 2 equals 12. So become 2/12 plus 1/12. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Yeah, 3/12. This can be divided again. So the simplest form of 3/12, yeah, 3 can be divided by 3, right? Equals 1. And 12 can be divided by 3 equals 4. So the simplest form is quarter or 1 over 4. Now 7a, find the sum of 1/8 plus quarter plus 3/8. The bigger denominator is 8, and 8 can be divided by 4 equals 2. So a quarter or 1 over 4, the numerator 1 times 2, the denominator 4 times 2. So equals 1/8 plus 2/8 plus 3/8. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Can this be divided again? Yes. The numerator and the denominator can be divided by 2 equals 3 over 4 or 3/4. Okay, next. Please do the workbook, page 36, number 1, 2, and 3. Look at this picture, chapter 1, fraction 1. Practice 1, adding unlike fraction, number 1, 2, and 3. If you have done this, please write your name and class. After that, take a picture and send it to Google Form. After that, I will check them out. Thank you very much. This one, please write your name and take a picture. After that, send it to Google Classroom as soon as possible. Thank you very much. See you next. Bye.